Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Holmes fan-forced heater. So just a little space heater that I want to use down in my basement for my desk to keep me a little warmer in the winter time. So this is again the Holmes EcoSmart heater. It comes with energy saving settings. It has a programmable thermostat, an LCD display, and a cool touch plastic housing. Here's how it comes packaged. Looks like it tries to show you the right heater for you depending on the room type, if you can read that. So there's a ceramic type heater, a fan forced heater, which is what this is, a convection heater, and then some, like a bedroom, they recommend either ceramic or fan forced, living room, that sort of thing. So offices and small living spaces, just got a lot going on. Room type, what heating effect do you want, and the benefits. So supposedly I believe this one's being billed as what's highlighted in yellow, so bedroom or living room. For quiet space heating, quiet ambience heat a specific area, feel the warmth on you, that sort of thing. Now I'm using it for, well, technically a basement, which is where I have my office, but just a room. I just really want it near me on my workstation so I can feel the heat. So this will be perfect. The model number for this specific model is an HEH8031. I will post the link to this on Amazon. It's a Sunbeam product. I can see it down here, ink. So really excited for it. Here's the back side, which is just in Spanish. Here's the side again. We just read the other side's in Spanish. Down below, just visit their website. Model number again. So that's the packaging, nothing special. Now let's go ahead and open it up. First thing out of the box, a message to stay safe, with some safety tips. You may want to read those through if this is your first one that you have, and how to operate it safely, so don't want to have a fire happen to you. Here is the owner's guide. Please read and save these important instructions. Looks like it's going to fold out. How to control it and operate it. You may need to reference that after we get it open. It's actually really light. Nothing else in the box. Lighter than I was expecting it to be. But again, it is fan, however they said that. This is a fan forced air heater, I believe. So, a fan forced heater. So, kind of picture that as like a big hair dryer. All right, it looks really, really good. So there's just a caution warning here. Holmes is the brand. I can see the fan through there. Power button mode, up and down. EcoSmart Tech. There's the back. They got a nice way to grip it. Here is the power cord that comes with it. So it looks like a really great heater. Again, I will post the link to this on my video's description so you can check it out on Amazon, see if it's something you're interested in, or go ahead and maybe check out some more ceramic options or other recommended things for people that have purchased this one on Amazon. So yeah, really excited to get it going. I'll have to do another follow-up video with it so you can see it in action. Really appreciate all the support out there, and stay tuned for my next video.